Hi, this is Jen Strouser. Welcome to my video tour of my before spring cleaning of my studio. This is my basement staircase landing. I'm a piler. I pile stuff everywhere. And when I say everywhere, I'm serious. No horizontal surface is safe from me. I usually go from one project to another quickly and then hide stuff in closets or boxes or bins, or just pile it on the floor, and after a few days I don't see it anymore. You can see over to the right here, this is my mother's part of the studio. I come by my disorganization naturally. We're working on changing our habits this year. So my mom's there with the purple regular chair. This is my section. We share the cutting table and ironing board. The crazy ball chair is mine. And this is my desk with just stuff piled everywhere. Any furniture you see, if it's closed, it's because it's full to bursting. I just put stuff all over the place. I pile it up as high as I can. I'm very good at piling and shoving. I was very excited when I realized I could fit all these bins under my long arm. There's a lot of junk under there. And this is just it. I'm just a disorganized person. And I go happily from one project to another without stopping. I have a couple of closets. They're like a cartoon closet. It's just full of stuff. And if you touch the wrong thing, it all falls down. And I'm not really sure how to go about changing this. I try to get rid of stuff and then I get upset that I got rid of it. But that's the whole studio. It's a big space.